I started at OCC about 4 years ago. When I took over, there was about 14 students. I accepted the job and now it is at right around 100 students, so it's grown immensely. We've changed the location of the program and moved into this beautiful facility to where we can offer some quality manufacturing classes, some machine tool manual classes, and some CNC classes as well.
It's a 2-year program for an associate's degree in machine tool technology. I'm approaching the end. I know machining is a promising field, and I've heard good success stories from here.
I looked at Hurco CNC for 2 reasons. One is I had familiarity with them at Ferris and I understood what they were about. The second reason was they offer the opportunity for you to use NC programming and conversational programming all in one controller. And that was a big deal for my students. They have to understand G-code so they can make changes to programs and do things like that. But if they don't understand the CAM yet, conversational can get them to the same category. They can create programs much faster than writing everything by hand. So I have a project that I use that has some basic drilled holes, some simple counter bores, and an island. And what I do is I have the students make that same part 2 different ways. One being G-code where they program it, I call longhand, and then they run that part. And it usually takes them, on average, about 2.5 to 3 hours to complete the whole thing. Then I have them take that same exact part and do it on the conversational side from beginning to end. And what they did in 2.5 to 3 hours for the G-code side, they can get done in about 45 minutes with the conversational. And that is really their first look at the conversational control. They hadn't done anything else before that.
It's really easy to use, user-friendly. I mean, I'm entry-level, obviously, and I picked up on it fairly quickly.
The students actually start out in the manual side of the program, and that's for 2 reasons. Because they can get their feet wet and understand the movements of the machine, and also learn all the different tools that go along with that. Whether it's end mills, reamers, what have you, they need to understand what those are. Then they come over to the Hurco side of the house, and we are actually using 4 3-axis mills, 1 5-axis mill, 2 2-axis lathes, and 1 lathe with live tooling. The desktop software is fantastic for the program. It allows the students to put it on their laptop. They can do everything at home from their own PC. They can set up tools. They can learn that controller in and out. They can get things done at home, bring it in on a flash drive or what have you, and load it into the machine tool and start running right off the bat. With Hurco, you've seen it come full circle to where now it's offering 3D models. You can do things with DXF files. You can do all those things with the Hurco control. And every company that I talk to are looking for people. They are growing that much. They're putting on new equipment, all of that. And that really boils down to, for the student, a big, wide opportunity.
The OCC program has prepared me tremendously. Real life experience, hands-on learning, all the tools you need are here.